Hello class, welcome to week 3 of Psych 421. As always, make sure to check the announcement section when you come onto the class. This is where I communicate most frequently with the class about anything that I want you to know. Sometimes these announcements will be sent via email, other times when I make the announcement ahead of time, they won't. So make sure you check the announcement section. So for week 3, there's a variety of topics that we're going to be covering this week, as you see here in the topic list. You're going to be reading chapters 5, 6, and 7 in your textbook. And down here it talks about make sure that you understand some of these concepts, the association between culture and cognition, gender, and health as you prepare for your midterm exam, which is coming up in week 4. So make sure that you're really reading and planning accordingly. For preparation, start studying for your midterm exam. While, here in the class you're able to utilize your resources, it's important to know that there's a lot of chapters included in the exam, chapters 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 13. So those will be the chapters that are included in your midterm exam, which will occur next week. Continue to work on your cultural similarities paper as well as you're working throughout the weeks to get ahead with that. So what we have this week is the discussion board. Your initial post is due Thursday by midnight, and your responses to your peers, at least 2 of them of substantive quality, are due Sunday by midnight. You have your week 3 quiz that you need to complete as well, which is on chapters 5, 6, and 7, and that's due Sunday by midnight. Down here talks about specifically what is included within the week 3 discussion prompt and what you're talking about here. And then down here there's just the examples about what to include in order to make your response post substantive in nature. And then there's a link for quiz number 3. So again, just to prepare for your midterm for next week, make sure that you are thinking about your paper that is due, your cultural similarities paper, due at the end of week 7. And for this week in particular, you have the discussion boards and your quiz. So that's it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here to help you. Thanks. Bye.